All right. So sorry about that. I just had to I had to help someone at work, and I just couldn't show the thing I was working on. So I figured, instead of bailing or anything like that, just um, to just stop the stream for a few minutes and then that's it. So I'm sorry about that. And yeah, let me know if you're still here. I mean, I don't know. Okay. All right. So where is this Twitch chat? Okay. There is the chat. Cool. Um, so again, sorry that I had to bail. But I had to. Okay. Hey, no clip. How are you? Okay. So let me just I'll be back in a 2 minutes. Let me I'm doing well, doing well. I'll be back in 2 minutes. Oh, sorry. That was stupid. Okay. So, I'm actually not really sure what I should be working on next. Um, but I guess we'll figure it out together. Okay, so we were on the Terraform thing. And I think um, so Ezra, you searched for the link, right? Was it you or was it someone else? You wanted the link to the video that I played on the stream. I'm not sure if it was you or someone else. Oh yeah, so there it is. It starts around 1 hour 34 minutes, which is the exact link that I sent you, and um, it goes on. It goes on for a little while. Um, okay, so then here. So yeah, we need to make another. We need to do another plan. Plan dash out dev dot plan 40. Bodoen eval Bodoen dash p development. Sure thing. And then environment dev and then terraform init. Okay. This looks good. And then let's do plan dash out. Okay. Cool. So I'll move this out of the screen because it's just output. So I'll just move this out. We can see it kind of on the edge, but yeah, it's not really that important information. And then we'll figure out whether we need to change something or not. Okay. So while this is running, while this is running, well, no, let's let it run. Let's let it run. Okay, so now this should print the output for us. And I think the output should be pretty clean. And I think all it should be doing is try to remove multiple things. Yeah, and that's what it does. So it tries to remove a lot of things because the state changed. And yeah, so this is not good. And what we need to do is essentially remove this from the state ourselves. So we need to make a list of these. And then try to remove it from the state ourselves. But before we do that, let's go here to variables and gateway here. So what did that look like? So here, this was trying to change the ALB for the gateways. Okay, so here. Okay, so let's go here. Let me maximize this to fit in the screen. Awesome. So now modules, let's do that. Okay, so CD. And then modules, AWS environment main, and we have gateway. Okay, gateway, and then inside of the gateway we have probably subnet. Yeah, we do. So ephemeral subnet IDs. Okay, so this is ephemeral subnet IDs, and these are likely inside of environment dev variables, and then here we have ephemeral subnet IDs. And I think what we want to do is reverse the order here. Okay, so let's do that. Um, okay, so let's do that. And now I need to move this out of the way again and run the plan again. This day is this day Slack is being really noisy. Okay. Cool. So now this is while this is running, let's let it run for a bit until we get the new state. All right. So let's wait. So now too many things want to change. Yeah, that wasn't good. Nope. Nope. Okay, so let's run the plan again and see how it goes. Okay. So I'm running the plan. This should, I'm not sure where this change is coming from in terms of like changing the ephemeral network for the load balancer. But I'm just going to look at that with landscape and see what the issue is. And we'll see how that goes. In the meantime, people in the chat room, feel free to ask questions and add comments, or do whatever you want. This is an open space, and if you have any questions, then you should feel free to ask those. Okay. Okay, great. So now this looks good. Terraform show dev.plan and landscape. Yes. Okay. So now this should be pretty clean. And yeah, so here's the change. So this changed from, okay. I don't think it really changes anything, to be honest. Oh, I see. From 2 to 1. Okay. I see. So the Postgres one actually changed. And the gateway tier and the new front end tier actually changed. Okay, so here, let's change this. Okay, I see. Okay, I see. So this actually lost. And this subnet. So BF and then BE65. Okay, so then here. So this, yeah, this isn't good. This shouldn't be the default of 2. It should only be the default of 1. So I messed up something. Not sure what, but I messed up something. Okay. So let's try and figure this out. Let us try and figure this out. I have to hide this for a second. Just 1 second. Okay, so here's the one. So, so the public one. So this is not the public one. Got it. Okay. So let me do that off the screen. And got it. Okay. So I figured out what I did wrong. I fat fingered something and pasted it in 2 places. So let's do something here. And this should actually be solved by if I do it with a state, it should actually be solved. But for now, let's figure this out. So we need the VPC. So let's go VPC. So we have VPC and we have subnets and public dev. Okay, so public dev, we have this 3D and then B. Got it. Okay. So here. Okay. Great. So here. And then the private is 00 and then 49 and BE. Oh, yeah, that's as well. So that's messed up as well. And I think that should be it. So let's run the plan again and see what's what. And this should give us a clean plan. This should give us a clean plan. Let's see. Okay, great. So now 0 to add, 0 to change, and 43 to destroy. Now this plan looks really clean, and it's only trying to delete the things that it shouldn't delete those, but what I should do is I should delete those manually. Okay. Oh, that tool. Yeah, it's pretty cool. The thing is, I have like a pen and this thing, and then it's easy for, especially when people ask things in the chat. Then it's easy to draw things. Um, Yeah, this is great. I mean, you can also do it with the mouse. Nothing is preventing you from doing it with the mouse, right? Um, okay. Yeah, it's really nice. I really really like it. Yeah, sometimes to explain things like visually, it's really really awesome. Um, so now we need to make a list of these. So let's take that and put that here. Okay, so do this, this. Oh, this is why I like Vim and not Sublime. In Vim, this is a macro that I will do in like 3 seconds. But Sublime doesn't have it, so apt-get install Python. Thank you for the follow. This is definitely the first time I've seen you here. I would remember that username. So welcome. What are you up to? Okay, there. Um, so basically, we need everything under network. We need to remove it. So all the module dot environment module network blah blah blah. We need to remove that. Okay. So here, let's add that. So we are fixing the network variables. And let's push this. Oh, I need to push with F because I rebased. Okay. Great. So now we need to actually look at the state. So let me just look at the state here outside the screen here for a minute. Just to make sure I'm not leaking any secrets or anything like that. All right, so then here. Oh, no. That's not what I want. That's not what I want. Ah, shit. Okay. Okay. Apt-get install Python. That's an amazing username, man. Incredible username. Okay, now I can stop it. Okay. Alrighty then. Okay. So let's see what we can do with the state. We can do terraform state pool. And this will take the terraform state and pull it into std out, which is huge. And then terraform state push dash dash help will say push update remote state from a local state file at path. Okay, so terraform state pull, and let's pull this into dev.state.12.15 2017. What? Did that match any files? Oh, but it's doing it to std out. What's the issue? Terraform state pool. Okay. I wonder. Anyway. There is no Trello today. No Trello today. 15/12/2017.json. Okay, so I'm pulling the state. And now let's look at Sublime and see what we need to delete from our state. Great. So module.environment network Bastion okay. Oh, that's going to be a problem. Let's see. Root environment network Bastion. So then environment network Bastion, and then yeah, so it's like a path. Okay. Oh my god, this is gonna be hard. Okay. So modules and then path. So let's see if we can do such magic. So cat and then state.dev and then jq dot modules. What do we have? We have that, and then here we'll have something like dot path. Okay, there it is. Okay, so this is you know, if I take this and I do this with JQ, then I can see the path. And then this path, I can execute this to paths. And if I vim paths, then this is everything that I have in kind of in Terraform, 477 lines of things. Line 299, what? What are you talking about? What? Oh, the project? Oh, sorry, it's working if you want the thing. Working. If you want what I'm working on, then it's working, not project. Okay, so then here we'll have network. And then in network we'll have Bastion, which is here. And then we'll have data subnet, ephemeral subnet, private, VPC, VPN, and yeah. So I think what I want is to delete everything that has network in it, which is so dangerous. But now Hey Kia, how are you? Network. Okay, so we have this network, and then in network we have Bastion, and then in network we have data subnet. And then inside data subnet we have a route table. So the route table isn't here. So the route table is likely in the state itself. Yeah, so the route table is here. And the route table, it's likely under, yeah, so it's under the data subnet. It has a resources. Okay, so let's do this. Let's cp state.dev here into state.mutation dev.1512. Okay. Okay, so now let's go to network. And I have to do that here. Depends on, so here, module.network. So we have that in a couple places, so we can delete that. Great. And then here, the root environment network. This is going to be easier with a foldable thing. So let's do this. I don't have that. Okay. Let me open that with Sublime over here. Because Sublime has this folding. Globality Terraform. All right, so what? Looked like someone really needs to contact you. Oh, you mean the text and the Slack and stuff? Yeah, man, this is the regular day-to-day work that I have. You know, it's like whatever. But the thing is, it is now 2:20, so I have to go pick up my kids from school. So I will say goodbye for today. Thank you for being here, and I'll see you sometime. All right, bye-bye.